Hello and welcome to the third video of the Pro.Dots Radio Business Tools. How to configure the plugin. On the left menu, you will find Business Tools. Let's click on Business Tools. So first of all, after the first installation, you're going to see an Auto Setup option. This automated tool will create for you the page to submit the campaigns. Once we click Create, it will give you a confirmation message and a page is going to be created in your list of pages. Let's see the other options. Test mode. If this option is enabled, all banners will be visible only to logged in administrators. Also, the Add Campaign Submission page is not going to be visible. If a non-logged in user is going to try it, or if a non-administrator user is going to try to add a campaign, the page is going to give a 404 record because the entire Business Tool plugin is going to be in test mode, so invisible to regular users. The second option is called link masking. I strongly recommend to keep this option enabled. What this is going to do is rewrite the original link that you set in the ad campaigns. So the banner link, instead of being an external website, is going to be an internal link with some attributes. This allows to trace the clicks and provide advanced statistics to your users. Then we have contact informations. Is a text block that is going to be visible in the front-end ad campaign submission form. In case of any problem or in case of any error, this is going to appear. So you can type, for instance, your phone number, your email, your direct contact. This is going to be useful if a customer has any problem. Max pending campaigns per user. So if you decide to give a user partner permission, which we will see in a moment, or if you sell campaigns autonomously with WooCommerce, users are going to be able to fill and submit a campaign using the form that Business Tools created for us at this link. When they fill up this form, a new campaign is going to be added to the list. This parameter is going to limit how many pending campaigns, unapproved campaign, a user can have. This will prevent users from abusing the Add Campaign Submission page and will limit the amount of pending campaigns that they can have linked to their account. Then we have the front-end form page, which is going to be automatically precompiled, but you can change it in case you want to create a special page with Elementor. Then we have email notifications. If you enable these, you're going to receive a notification when a user submits a campaign, which helps you providing a timely response to your investors. Here you can specify a different email address where you may want to receive this. Perhaps you don't want campaign submission to arrive to the same email of the administrator of the website, and you can set any custom email here. Then we have custom terms of service, so you can replace this text. And then this option, if you change the options of the plugin or the ad slots available to your customers, it's good to have this enabled and click Save. As well, if any new campaign is not appearing in the front end, you can use this slot forcefully clean the cached list of banners. If you have any trouble, you can't see the ads, or you see something strange that you are not able to troubleshoot, maybe try to switch off the test mode and test your page again, because some server caching methods can prevent your front-end pages displaying the ads correctly. So make sure that the test mode is disabled and make sure you turn off your ad block from your browser. This is the best way to troubleshoot potential problems and make sure you are able to see what your users are seeing. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video.